Let's take a look at a few other useful functions available in the media players. The first is that we have the ability to do some other editing functions inside the media player. So for example, if I select this clip, I can scrub it. You can see the video as I scrub through. Perhaps I'd like to split this clip into two clips so I can insert something in the middle. I just scrub to the point I want to split, right click on the clip, and there's an option called split at current frame. And you'll see now I have two clips. This one is the front half of that clip, and this is the back half, but now it's two clips that I can work with independently. I could insert something in between and start splicing clips and editing together content. Also, if you right click on a clip, there is some adjustments like adjusting the speed. Now, the difference between this and the number at the bottom is that the number at the bottom of the screen, this is going to adjust the playback speed for the entire media player. So every clip would play back at this speed. But if I right click on a clip and let's say I want to play this one at 50% speed, it's only going to affect this clip. So you do have the ability to either adjust all of the clips at once by adjusting the bottom or adjust a single clip at a time. One thing I do want to make you aware of though is that if a clip is not playing at 100% speed, you will not hear any audio with the clip. So if a clip seems silent, that could be a reason why, is that you're not playing at 100% speed. Speaking of audio, there is also some ability to adjust the audio level for a single clip. You can right click and there is some adjustments here, including muting the audio if you don't want it. You'll notice there is a little speaker icon that appears on the clip to let you know if audio is present with the clip. And if you click on that speaker icon, you can also interactively adjust the audio level as well. Now, sometimes the icon for your clip might not be easy to recognize among other clips. Maybe you have clips that start up from black and that happens to be the frame that it is using. You can update the icons by just scrubbing to the frame that you want to use as a representational icon, right click and use the option called use current frame as icon. And you'll see that that updates the icon for that new clip, and that will be remembered in the future. So if you load the clip again, that icon will be used. Finally, we can add transitions between clips. So there's a shortcut way to do this. If you select the clip you want to add a transition to the end of, and then press Alt F on the keyboard, that will add a fade effect. So you can do that. And then you can change the effect out by pressing this little plus sign. And then this will give you all the other transitions that you can choose from. So that's one way to do it. The other way to do it is you can select the clip, then add some new media, and inside the media browser window, if you scrub down, you'll see transitions listed, and you could go select any transition you wanted. So let's go pick this one here. Now, to use the transitions, you do need to be in the list mode for playback, where it's going to play back all the clips one right after another. If you're in single mode, the transitions aren't going to apply. But now if I hit play and it goes through this, we'll see, I've got this loaded in preview right now, that when it reaches the end of each clip, it's going to do a transition to the next clip. So we've got a few more seconds here before this one will occur. It's going to do a kind of a split wipe. Here it goes. There it goes to the next clip. And then when this one reaches the end, we will have yet another transition to the next clip. So this is a great way that you can edit multiple elements together inside a media player where you don't have to go out to an outboard editing system to accomplish these tasks.